Stop using very again and again. It makes your English weak and basic. Very is not wrong English, but the problem is you are using it too much. For example, very good, very bad, very happy, very tired, very big. This is basic English. Native speakers don't speak like this. They use one strong word instead of very plus weak word. So instead of very good, excellent, very bad, terrible, very tired, exhausted, very good replacements. Stop saying very good. Use stronger words. Excellent, amazing, outstanding, fantastic, brilliant examples. This food is excellent. Your idea is amazing. He is an outstanding student. That was a fantastic performance. She is a brilliant teacher. Very bad replacements. Stop saying very bad. Use terrible, awful, horrible, dreadful, poor examples. The weather is terrible. That was an awful mistake. The smell is horrible. It was a dreadful experience. His performance was poor. Very happy. Use delighted, overjoyed, thrilled, ecstatic, pleased. Examples: I am delighted to meet you. She was overjoyed with results. He is thrilled about the news. They were ecstatic after winning. I am pleased with my progress. Very sad replacements. Use stronger words. Miserable, heartbroken, devastated, upset. Gloomy examples. He felt miserable. She was heartbroken. They were devastated. I am upset today. He looked gloomy. Stop saying very tired. Use exhausted, drained. Worn out, sleep deprived, fatigued examples. I am exhausted. She feels drained. He is worn out. I am sleep deprived. They were fatigued after work. Very big / very small. Very big arrow, huge, massive, enormous, gigantic examples. This house is huge. The building is massive. It is an enormous structure. That is a gigantic problem. Very small to tiny, mini, miniature. Petite examples. It is a tiny room. She has a tiny bag. That is a miniature model. She is petite. Very beautiful / very ugly. Very beautiful arrow. Gorgeous, stunning, attractive. Elegant examples. She looks gorgeous. The view is stunning. He is very attractive. She looks elegant. Very ugly, hideous, ugly. Unpleasant examples. That building is hideous. The design is ugly. It looks unpleasant. Very angry, very smart, very angry, furious, mad, livid. Irate examples. She was furious. He got mad. My father was livid. The teacher was irate. Very smart. Brilliant, intelligent, clever, sharp. Examples. She is brilliant. He is intelligent. That was a clever idea. He is very sharp. Final practice. Now repeat full sentences. I am exhausted, not very tired. She is delighted, not very happy. The food is excellent, not very good. The weather is terrible, not very bad. He is brilliant, not very smart. This place is huge, not very big. The room is tiny, not very small. She looks gorgeous, not very beautiful. I feel miserable, not very sad. The movie was hilarious, not very funny. Stop saying very in every sentence. Start choosing strong words instead. This is how you sound fluent, natural, and confident in English. Practice daily, and your speaking will change fast.